These two individuals lived more than 100,000 years apart in human history's very turbulent times. But the most surprising thing is that their brains are actually still exactly the same as each. In the distant past, the human brain was designed to help us survive in the wild nature. Today we live in a modern world, but still carry an operating system from the Stone Age. The gap between technology and biology is creating extremely complex psychological problems for all of us today. Let us explore the triune brain structure to understand why we act the way we do now. The oldest part is the reptilian brain, responsible for the most basic survival functions of our body. It helps you breathe, keeps your heart beating, and stays alert to any external threats around you. Whether it is a tiger roar or an alarm clock back, the reptilian brain reacts exactly the same. Next is the limbic system, also known as the mammal brain, controlling emotions and our long-term memory. In the past, belonging to a group was a vital factor for surviving against common external enemies. The ancient fear of being abandoned now turns into anxiety when lacking social media interaction and likes. Finally, the neocortex is the smartest part, helping humans think logically and plan for the far future. This is the amazing tool that helped humanity dominate the planet using their superior and advanced intelligence. However, this intelligent brain part is often completely overwhelmed by our ancient and very powerful survival instincts. Our brain cannot distinguish the difference between a hungry tiger and an urgent work email from boss. The fight or flight mechanism is activated, keeping your body in a constant state of high stress. Stress hormones flood the bloodstream, weakening the immune system and the ability to think clearly and rationally. In the deep forest, sweet and fatty foods were extremely valuable and rare sources of vital energy. Instinct tells you to eat a lot because you never know when the next meal will be found. Today, calories are everywhere, but the brain still fears that we might starve to death very soon. Sugar and fats trigger the reward system, making it impossible for us to stop snacking all day. This is why obesity has become a global epidemic in the 21st century for most modern humans. Our ancestors needed constant attention to detect prey or potential dangers lurking in the vast wild landscape. The ability to focus is shredded by thousands of apps specifically designed to be highly addictive today. Every like or new notification creates a short dopamine hit inside your brain's ancient reward center now. We are stuck in a loop seeking instant gratification while forgetting our long-term goals and real purpose. Being ostracized from the tribe meant certain death in the very harsh and unforgiving natural wild world. Today we crave validation from thousands of total strangers in the vast and virtual online social spaces. The pressure to be perfect on social media causes self-doubt and very heavy depression for many people. The world changes too fast for biological evolution to ever keep up with that incredible modern pace. This conflict creates a constant feeling of unease that we find very difficult to name or explain. But do not worry, because we can learn how to hack into this very ancient biological system. Meditation helps us stay calm and activates the neocortex to better control our wild and raw emotions. Periodic digital detox is the way for the brain to get the most real and deep rest possible. Physical movement releases endorphins, helping to rebalance the levels of stress accumulated in our daily busy lives. Choose whole foods instead of processed ones to nourish your brain much better for the long term. Directly connecting with loved ones helps satisfy the need to belong in a very healthy social way. Understanding the brain is the first step to mastering your life in this complex modern digital era. Appreciate your evolutionary heritage, but do not let it completely control your modern behavior and daily choices. We have the ability to choose our response, instead of just acting on pure and raw instinct. Hi there, we're introducing a new feature where I can read this aloud, in a natural, human-like voice. Self-reflection helps the neocortex better understand the deep urges coming from our ancient and primal reptilian brain. Human nature has not changed, but the living context has transformed at a very dizzying and rapid pace. You have the power to rewire your brain through small and consistent daily habits for the better. Deep focus is a superpower in a world that is filled with constant and endless digital distractions. Blue light from screens tricks the brain into thinking it is still the middle of the bright day. This disrupts the sleep cycle and prevents the natural recovery process of our brain during the night. Quality sleep is the key to keeping your nervous system always stable and very healthy every day. Sometimes we feel lost because we are living against our original and fundamental biological design and nature. Try turning off unnecessary notifications to regain total control of your precious and limited daily attention span. Creation brings more sustainable joy than passively consuming digital content every single day of our busy lives. When doing creative work, your neocortex is operating at its most optimal and highly advanced state ever. Storytelling is a great way to connect the different parts of our complex and multifaceted human brain. Take 10 seconds to breathe before reacting to any sudden and very stressful situation in your life. This technique helps calm the reptilian brain and brings you back to a state of full awareness. The modern world is full of temptations, but you have the wisdom to overcome them all successfully. Self-awareness is the golden key to opening the door leading to true and lasting personal inner freedom. Be grateful for the instincts that have protected our ancestors through millions of years of human evolution. The balance between emotion and reason will help you live a truly meaningful and purposeful life now. Bring nature into your modern living space to soothe your tired and weary soul from daily stress. Caring for plants helps us reconnect with the slow and steady rhythm of the natural world around. Do not rush, because the brain needs time to adapt to these new and complex life changes. Physical health is the strongest foundation for a clear and very bright and sharp, intelligent mind today. Use your hunting instincts to conquer the big and ambitious goals in your professional career and life. Create harmony between the different brain parts, instead of letting them constantly conflict with each other now. Water is the most important life source for the brain to function as effectively as possible, daily. Lifelong learning keeps the neocortex always exercised and helps it become much sharper over time and years. You are the result of millions of years of survival and victory of our brave ancient ancestors. Use that power to build a life that you have been dreaming of for a long time. We are all passengers on the great ship of time known as the long human history today. The journey of self-understanding is the greatest journey that you will ever undertake in your entire life. It is time to activate the hidden power inside your very ancient and powerful Stone Age brain. Thank you for watching, and see you again in our next exciting journeys of deep human discovery. Do not forget to subscribe to not miss out on the most interesting brain science knowledge ever.